Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the video of making the cat tree house, so don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys, so this is a step-by-step of making the cat tree house. So first, read the manual here. There are 6 steps of making this tree house. I bought this tree house online and I installed it by myself. So I'm gonna show you also the video of assembling the cat tree house by myself. It's very easy guys, so you can have a look at the video. Maybe you can also buy for your loved ones. So watch this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you again on the next video on my channel guys. Ciao ciao, bye bye, assalamualaikum. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel.